Hey everyone, so today we're going to be talking about what we're going to do with the charger, if we're going to do anything at all. As you could probably have told by the title of this video, that I'm potentially thinking about selling my 2019 Charger Scatpack. And the reason for this is because if you saw a couple videos ago, Hellcat Durango or TRX. So I'm trying to think of ways that I could potentially afford this. One would be get rid of the Charger, get another little cheaper car to help out with my financial situation, because obviously we're not made out of money here. But I really want a Hellcat Durango or a TRX, and money has to come from somewhere. So I don't know if we're going to end up getting rid of the Charger or not. But if we did, obviously we would replace it with another sports car type. A lot of you don't know that, but in the past I used to be a little bit of a Nissan guy and thinking about getting a 370Z or something like that again. And then that would also, provide good, fresh content for the channel. But I do really love this Charger, and I don't want to get rid of it. But to make room for Hellcat Durango, it might be worth it. I'm not super sure. But yeah, today's video is going to be kind of short. I just wanted to get your guys' opinions on what you think I should do. Would you guys rather me keep, the current lineup we have here with the RT Durango, the Scatpack, and the Hellcat Red Eye? Or do I try and move some things around? Like I said, sell the Charger, get something cheaper, and then get rid of the Durango for the Hellcat version. Or the TRX. Because the thing that has me worried is we don't have pricing on either the Hellcat Durango or the TRX yet. And it's starting to look a lot more like the Hellcat Durango is going to be a little bit more expensive than I thought. Like, probably, honestly, almost as expensive as the Red Eye. We're talking 75 plus, maybe 75 base price, 80 base price, plus options, which, I mean, makes sense because of where they priced the Trackhawk at. But I was kind of hoping it would be cheaper than a Trackhawk, kind of slide in a little bit above just an RT. But then again, if you think the Red Eye package alone on the Challenger is $11,000. So how much are they going to charge over an RT for a Hellcat? And that could be $15,000, $20,000 more. And that RT is already $53,000. So if you're talking $15,000, $20,000 more, you're already at $70,000. So it's probably a little bit out of my price range, to have the Red Eye. And then another car, I'd have to get a new daily because the Charger's my daily. And then to have a Hellcat Durango sitting right here. So, I don't know what I'm going to do right now. Let me know in the comments below because what you guys would want to see. Because would you like to see the Charger get replaced with like a 370Z and we can do a small little build on that and race it and have fun stuff with that? And then to add a Hellcat Durango, or do you just want to see the current lineup? We got Hellcat, Scatpack, and the RT Durango. So let me know what you guys think. Don't really have much else to film today. Do have some cool stuff next week, hopefully. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, and we'll try and make it happen. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.